In the video today we solve a LeetCode question that is 350 intersection of two arrays 2, and in this we use two integer arrays nums1 and nums2, and we have to return an array of array of their intersection, and each element in the result must appear as many times as it shows in both arrays, and you may return the result in any order. Okay, for example, we are having nums1, so we are having 1 2 2 1 and nums2 as 2 2. So for that, my output comes out to be 2 2 because it's the repeated nums. In the next example, I am having nums1 as 495 and nums2 as 9494. So what I can do is my answer will be 49 and 4994. Yeah, it could be 49 or 94, both would be accepted. Okay, because the frequency of 4 is twice, but we'll be picking up the minimum one because yeah, it's occurring at least one time. And for 9 also the same, and we are not having 5 in numbers too. Okay, so this is how we'll be approaching. And but there are many ways to solve this problem. Like if we are encountering, we can use two hash maps, or we can just do a binary search kind of thing. But in this, I'll be doing it in an OOPN approach, kind of a sorting, not OOPN exactly. I'll be sorting the array and log n from this. Okay, so firstly, let's start with sorting the arrays. Arrays of sort nums1, and then arrays of sort nums2. Okay, then what I'll be doing is I'll be having a list of integers where I'll be storing all the repeated elements. List of integers. Let's call it 10. That is equal to a new array list. And now what I'll be having is I'll be having two pointers for the two arrays, int I equal to 0 and then j equal to 0. Okay, now while I is less than nums dot length and j is less than nums2 dot length. I'll have to change it here, nums1 dot length. Okay, now what I'll be checking is that if my nums1 I is less than nums2, okay, nums2j, in that case I'll have to increment my I pointer I plus plus. Else if I'll be checking if a nums1 I is greater than nums2j. In this case I'll be incrementing my j pointer. Else the condition would be I'll be adding it to the temp list temp dot add nums1, because that means we are having the same value. You can add nums1 I or nums2j, both will work, and then incrementing both I plus plus and j plus plus. Okay. Then what we'll be having is I'll be having an answer array, and answer that will equal to a new int of size temp dot size, and then let's have a k pointer as well for which is pointing towards the array. Then what I'll be doing is I'll be traversing in the num for a num and temp. What I'll be doing is I'll be doing a answer k plus plus that will be equal to my number. Okay, and at the end I'll return my answer array. And now let's give it a run. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. And it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is all. Thank you for watching.